Hey guys, always again Pro here, back again with another video. And sorry, I haven't uploaded in a long time. I've just been taking a break because of work and stuff. So, well, my first video back today is the unboxing of the DJI Osmo Mobile 3. So let me just do a short tour around the box and let's see what specs it has. I personally don't know much about this gimbal, but I'll be like you guys that are knowing about this for the first time. So let's get right into this. Right. So on the first thing you see is the Osmo Mobile 3, the picture of the gimbal branding, and then we turn the box over here. It's the same thing, and at the back it's the same thing. Okay. Well then, and here, okay, right. So right here you have the different things that are in the box. So you get the gimbal, you get the power cable, you get the store pouch, and you get the wrist strap. You also get a QR code for the mobile app, and it's available on Google Play and the Apple App Store. And it has a 2-year warranty, has an accidental hardware damage coverage, includes water damage also, and free two-way shipping. So you get that from Osmo Shield. At the bottom is just some stuff. Oh, on the top is, yeah, so let me just open this up right now. Oh, get my trusty knife. That did not open. Okay, let's try that again. Perfect. Right, so I'll just move this mic down a bit. Okay, so a sec. Yeah, that was quite difficult to open. Right, now once you get the um, plastic wrapping open, there's something on top of here too. I'll just snatch that open. Perfect. Okay, so once you open it, you just pull it out. You get the gimbal. That's just foam packaging. Get some poison for the trolls, as Flossy Carter would say. And yeah, you get your other stuff in here. So yeah, right. The price for this is I got it for £99. I had a chance to get it cheaper than that, but I missed the sale. But yeah, you can also get a kickstand for this too. This also comes with a kickstand. I'll show you everything. I'll do a tour around the gimbal itself. So let me just open this up. But first, before you look at the gimbal, let's look at the box. So in the box, you get a carrying strap. Focus, focus. You get a carrying strap, nice and sturdy. And then you also get, oh, what's this? Ah, yeah, you get a pouch. Feels nice in your hands. Awesome Osmo branding and DJI there. What's this? Anti-slip pads to secure, if required, use anti-slip pads to secure the mobile phone in the phone holder. Okay, probably won't need this because I already have a case on my phone. And we get the charging cable, which is USB-C. Perfect. So these are the things that the accessories for this. And now the main event. This is the gimbal. Feels nice, has a nice weight to it, feels quality. Made of plastic, obviously. Has some instruction on here on what to do. I won't be doing an activation today just because I don't have any phone to test it with and stuff. So yeah, right. So this is it. It's a 3-axis gimbal. It has its USB Type C charging. I think this is another place where you can charge your phone through. Um, does this come with a manual in the thing? Let me just quickly check. No, it doesn't. Oh yeah, it does actually. Oh, okay, it does. That's this. That's welcome. Right. So this is the manual here. So first of all, you pull it up like this. Oh, that feels nice. Ah, okay. So that's that. That feels really nice and secure. The grip is good. Has a nice grip to it. Can I zoom out? I can not zoom out. Perfect. Okay. So it has a nice grip. Nice buttons also. How this? Oh, don't turn it on. Oh, damn it! I turn it on. What do I do now? I just turn it off. How do you turn it off? Oh, press. Oh, okay. Um, how do you turn it off? Right, one sec. Let me figure out how to turn this thing off. Right, to turn it back off is a long press. So the setup is basically this: you open it up, twist it up, put your phone in, secure it, and then you have to go through like a balancing process and all that. I can't really show you that in the video because yet again, uh, you know, I don't have anything to test it with. So essentially, this is what you get in the box. I don't know how you fold it back. So yeah, this is all you get in the box. I'm trying to fold this thing backward. So this is it here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry I had to like cut it off, at a premature state, but you can't really go further than this. Oh, actually, yeah, before we go, this is the threaded mount. So you can mount this to a tripod or the kickstand that you can buy as an extra accessory for this. So yeah. So I'll be uploading a stabilization test video comparing the normal stabilization of my phone, which is the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and the DJI with the DJI on. So yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.